Hello, so I've just bought this Ultimate Terminator from Kenner, 92. It was sold as not working, so I pulled it apart and there was the problem. So I've just got a new speaker on there and that works. Yeah, awesome. So if anyone needs to repair theirs, after you've done all the screws, there's annoying pins, hidden pins at the ankles. Other than that, all good.